I speak with various development teams on a daily basis, and often I get asked the question, well, how do you guys support pair programming? What if we have a developer, what if you have multiple developers working on a task? Is that something VersionOne allows you to do, or does this support it well? And I always tell them yes. So let's walk through this example. We have this quick status check story that's being planned into a sprint. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and break this story down into some tasks. So I'm going to add a task really quickly. Not really provide any details, just the title, coding. And I'll add a code review task. At this point, my team members can start coming in and signing up for work and providing their detail estimate. So detail estimate meaning the amount of hours they're thinking it's going to take to complete these tasks. So maybe 3 hours, or let's say 6 hours on coding. And especially with code review, this is a great example where you want to utilize pair programming. So you can see I can assign more than one owner. I'll put in 5 hours here and apply. So now when I go back to this view here, when I expand out the quick status check backlog item, here I'm able to see that the detail estimate is 5 hours for his code review task. The to-do is 5 because we haven't done anything yet. And we also see here your team members can actually enter in their effort. So Andre can put in his separate effort and Alfred can put in his separate effort. Now they can enter this in here, but what we're going to walk through is actually doing the work in the team room really quickly. As you can see, this done column is blank right now because no effort has been entered. So let's go to a team room. We'll go to the Fellowship of the Scrum. You can see that I have my conversation piece here, so we can always collaborate with the team on what's going on within the sprint, keeping that collaboration piece open. But if we just want to focus on the task board for now, we have this coding task. Andre completes this coding task, so let's track his work. He put in 6 hours and there's 0 to do. And now we're ready to focus on this code review. And as you can see on this code review, we have multiple owners. We have Alfred and Andre. So as this code review is being completed, they can track their work, and you'll see that each team member is able to individually put in their effort. So maybe Andre put in 3 hours worth of work, Alfred put in 3 hours, so that was larger than the original 5 that we thought. We'll do 0 here. And that's it, we tracked our work. So now if we go back to that original page I was on, detail planning, and if I expand out this quick status check, you'll see with the code review that our original detail estimate was 5 hours. There's 0 to do because all the work has been completed, and it actually took us 6 hours to complete this. So just a quick walkthrough on how VersionOne supports pair programming, especially in those cases where more than one eye is going to provide value.